Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, the Visera Technologies. Today we are going to learn about the most fundamental part of any development, which is nothing but an IDE. So in this video, we are going to discuss what exactly this IDE means and why do we need for development with different examples of IDEs. Let's get started. Most of the software development part starts with choosing the best IDE for your project. So an IDE is nothing but it's an integrated development environment, the place where you're going to develop your project by using set of tools provided by IDE to complete the project faster and more efficient way. Quite complicated, right? Let me give you a real-time example. Assume like you need to go to your home which is about 500 kilometers away. So what is the best option would you choose from below? Either you can go on walk, which is highly impossible to reach your destination unless you are a flash. You can try a bicycle, but this one will take a lot of time and consumes a lot of energy. So the best solution is to choose a car, which has a set of variety options like engine, headlight, comfortable seats, and air conditioner. These features help you to reach your destination faster and more comfortable way. So similarly, IDE has a set of tools which help you to complete your project in no time. IDE should have a code editor. So whenever you try to create a project, it should give a predefined structure, predefined template so that you don't have to work from the scratch. Color identification, which help you to identify the variable and its data while doing the coding. And auto suggestions, whenever you type something, it should give the code completion suggestions. Debugger is a tool where we would like to debug or fix the issues in your code. We can also set some breakpoints to inspect a variable and check the execution flow. Compiler. So every IDE should have a compiler so that it can translate our code into basic understandable format. Graphical user interface. Every IDE should have a user-friendly interface that simulates our code. So how our code looks like, how does it's going to work. Version control. Every IDE should have the capability to manage the source code. You should integrate with version controls like GitLab and GitHub so that we can push and pull the code. Build automation. So an IDE should be able to process some tasks like compiling, building your project, and running some scripts such as Maven or Gradle for Java. The last one is AI assistant. Nowadays, every IDE has an AI feature where you can ask everything related to your project and it will give you a prompt response. Examples of IDEs. I have provided few examples of IDEs in here like VS Code, which we use for the web technologies, and most commonly used languages are JavaScript and Java. IntelliJ we use for the web technologies and we use Java and Kotlin. Eclipse we use for both mobile and web technologies, we use for Java. And Xcode we use for the mobile technologies, which we use Swift and Objective-C. Android Studio we use for mobile technology, we use for Kotlin and Java. I hope this is helpful to understand what exactly the IDE. Thank you for watching the video.